There are two methods that we can use to install Dart on our machine. We can use Chocolatey, which is a package installer which is designed to work with Windows PowerShell, or you can use the installer, which is much easier to use. Let's first go to chocolatey.org/install and copy the command for the PowerShell. You can also use the command line, but that's going to require a different command. We will need to run PowerShell with administrative privileges. Paste the command and hit enter. Let's now go to dartlang.org/tools and scroll down to the section that says SDKs. If you plan to develop for the web, click on the web app, and if you plan to develop for mobile, choose mobile. Select the Windows tab and paste the command in the PowerShell terminal. This text is a little small, so I will make it bigger by going into the preferences. You can also use the installer, which can be downloaded from the link in the description. Installation is pretty straightforward. The next thing that we need to do is install IntelliJ. We will use the Community Edition because it's free. Once the installation is complete, we're going to click Configure and we are going to install Dart and Flutter plugins. We have to search the repositories for these plugins. We did install the Flutter plugin before installing the Flutter SDK. That's no problem. After it is downloaded, I'm going to extract it and place it in a folder called Development. When we create a Dart project, ensure that you have indicated the location of the Dart SDK in the Dart SDK path field. The same thing should be done when you are creating a Flutter project. Let's see if we can create a Dart project and create a console application. We can call it Dart Basics. Installation on a Mac is simple once Homebrew is installed. Homebrew is also a package manager. We first install Homebrew by pasting a command in the terminal. Then we go to dartlang.org and copy the commands. I already have Homebrew installed as well as the Dart SDK installed on this machine. I'm just going to be reinstalling the SDK. Downloading IntelliJ is a straightforward process, and once again, you have to install the plugins just as before. Once the plugins are installed, just point to the location of the Dart and Flutter SDKs.